पे सब कुछ लुटा दिया, वतन के नाम पे सब कुछ लुटा दिया, आज़ादी का सूरज फिर चमका दिया, आज़ादी का सूरज फिर चमका दिया। ये मिट्टी है शहीदों की, ये मिट्टी है शहीदों की, इसे नमन हम सबने किया, इसे नमन हम सबने किया। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। Today is 15 August, the day when India got freedom from British rule in 1947. It is a day to remember our brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many more who fought for our nation. On the occasion of independence, I would like to speak about the great warrior queen Rani Lakshmibai, a symbol of bravery and Indian woman power. Rani Lakshmibai was born on November 19, 1828 in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Her original name was Manikarnika, but she was affectionately called Manu. She was trained in martial arts, horse riding, and sword fighting from a young age. At the age of 14, she married Maharaj Gangadhar Rao. After the death of Gangadhar Rao, Lakshmibai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. She was a key leader in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. She famously fought in battle while carrying her son on her back. While fighting near Gwalior, she was badly injured. She did not surrender to the British and died heroically. She was a great role model for all women. Her life is an inspiration to all of us. Her words: I shall not surrender my Jhansi. I shall not surrender my Jhansi. Still echo in the hearts of millions. Still echo in the hearts of millions. Thank you.